What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the tips on how to create and set Memoji Face on Apple Watch on an older Apple Watch that is not supporting the Memoji app. If your Apple Watch models is Series 4, Series 5, or Series 6 or a later model, then watch my previous video on how to create Memoji and set on the Apple Watch Face. You are watching a How to Solve YouTube channel. Before getting started, to subscribe my channel and tap on the bell icon to get the latest tips and tricks. First, you have to create a new Memoji on your iPhone, or you have to record screen with your iPhone Memoji. Also, don't miss turning on dark mode because you can record Memoji video with black background. Turn on dark mode from the control center, open the control center and touch and hold on the brightness bar, then tap on the dark mode option. Here's my Messages app on iPhone and go with the Memoji message icon. Now express your face and start the recording of your iPhone screen. Otherwise, you can create a new Memoji on your iPhone, then record it like this. Here I recommend keeping your iPhone away from the face. You can adjust your face side on a small screen Apple Watch. Once the recording is done, stop the recording by a tap on the top recording label and tap on the stop button. Now, recording will save on your iPhone Photos app. Open recording, and tap on the edit option from the top right corner of the screen. Now, select the crop option and resize the Memoji animation part and save on the done button to save the animation Memoji video. Now, the next step is to convert your video to live photos. Use a third-party app from the App Store. Here I recommend to install Live app. Download it from your iPhone App Store. Once you download and install the app, open on your iPhone and browse the camera roll, and select the edited video. Here you have to set key photo, so by default, your Apple Watch will see your face. Tap on Make from the top right corner of the screen, and select No Repeat option. Also select the Save Live Photo button to download live photos to iPhone camera roll. In this, you will see the ad, pass away or tap on Close button to close app from app. Finally, photo saved. Now, move to your iPhone Photos app and open Live Photo saved recently. Here's the live icon, so this photo is live. Now tap on the share icon and scroll on Share card. Here's Greet Watch Face option. Now, select Photos Watch Face, and select Color, Time, Position, and Complications for your Memoji Watch Face. Once you've done all the settings, tap on the Add button to set on your Apple Watch Face. Here's my Apple Watch showing recently added face on screen, and it looks like the new generation Apple Watch Memoji Face. That's it. You can also get more about this video in the description below and top video card. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question, then write down in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Before leave this video, subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get more tips and tricks. Goodbye, have a nice day.